They were kind of in the corner, just cranking away every day, not asking for a whole lot of help, but regardless of that, they made an outstanding project. So, Casey, your award. So it's the Do It Yourself on My Own / Home Depot award.
We'd like to start our presentation with a question. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? But what if I told you that 1 plus 1 equals 10? That's wrong, right? Everyone would say that's wrong? At least, okay, this is wrong because 1 plus 1 does not equal 10. At least not in base 10. But in other bases, it's a completely different story. For example, in binary, or base 2, 1 plus 1 actually does equal 1, 0. Because 1, 0 represents the number 0 times 2 to the power of 0 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1. So when it comes down to it, 1 plus 1 still equals 1. This is what our final project is all about. We created an app that will teach the general public about number bases.
As Megan said, our purpose was to create an app that teaches young students the concept of number bases, one of the most important foundations of computer science. Our goals for this app were to create a detailed but straightforward tutorial section which teaches topics about number bases, and to create an in-app converter which converts two numbers between two different bases, and to create a game for people to practice their converting skills. So for the hardware we just used a Samsung Galaxy Nexus smartphone to test our app. And software-wise, we used MIT's App Inventor website to help code our app.
Okay, so as Casey mentioned, one of the first things we wanted to do was to build an in-app converter so that users could input a number and convert them into different bases. So to do this, we created an algorithm that would take the number digit by digit and convert it into a separate value. And for the tutorial, we wrote a detailed explanation on number bases and their applications, and we divide them into 8 separate topics and place them into an index so that users could click on whichever one they wanted to learn about. And for the game, we animated image sprites on the canvas and utilized a timer to create something that would test their knowledge, accuracy, and speed. So here are some of the screenshots from our app. You can see that this is our main menu, and if you click on the converter button, then you'll get to the converter screen, and you'll see that the converter screen is very similar to a Google Translate screen because you can input a number and then you can choose which bases to convert to and from. And then here is our learn screen where you can click on 8 separate topics, and this is what it looks like when you click on the topic. There's a back to topics list button at the bottom, so you can return to the index whenever.
So one of the challenges we faced was converting to and from bases 11 through 16. Because bases 11 through 16 use letters to represent double-digit numbers 10 through 15, we can't really use our original algorithm, which utilizes integers because letters aren't integers. So how we fixed this was we modified our original algorithm to utilize strings instead of integers.
Okay, so here's an example of our code. Our app recognizes errors that the user makes. So if they input random punctuation marks or impossible numbers or letters, then it will display an error message. And then this section is part of our actual algorithm, and this part takes the modulo of any input number and it converts it into a value, which is then translated into a character of any sort. And this part joins the characters together to create a string, which is then displayed as the output. So here's an example. Here's the URL. an error message pops up if you input numbers that aren't equal to that base.
And this is our game. Basically, you're just defending your three lines of defense from different people with binary numbers on their shirts, and you just have to click on them.
And there's a pause button, so you can either resume or return to the main menu. So, in conclusion, our Android app now includes an accurate converter and a list of topics, and also a game that can test your knowledge. And we believe that once this app is released to the general public, especially with young middle school students, it will better prepare them for future high school computer science classes, and will hopefully provide an interesting way to teach them about the foundations of computer science. So, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Are there any questions?